my tires, and I don't know.
It's going on the stud, the nuts, right? So if there's no dude around, take a pole that fits on your lug wrench. This is a wrench. It either go this way or it'll go that way. But usually, to break it loose, it's just leaning into it like this, take it loose. I feel like it's tightening, so now I know I need to go the opposite direction. Turn it around, and this is gonna make it loose. That's taking it loose. Very little effort.
Easy peasy.
So I'm gonna let her do it, and she'll show you what I'm talking about. Now we know that this is how you take it off. So you just find the angle that's good for you, and you just walk into it, step into it. Put the screw in there. Let's tighten down all the way in as far as it goes until it stops. That's gonna lock in.
The pull, our handy dandy pull.
And that's it. Let's put the glove back on.
So here we have the beam, and you have to put it, the middle piece, right in the center, and then you leave it down, and you pump it, and it lifts the car. See the lift, guys? That's why we untightened the bolts. There you have it, guys. Fully risen. Now, the jack, that right there. Yep. On both sides. And now that both sides are done, you gotta check first. This is why we take our time. Ladies, it's okay. We're getting the cap, so you can put the lug nuts in here so you won't lose them. Stick that there, and then comes off.
Now remember, you pre-separated them. You used the other way. Spin it. Take your time. Remember, you're trying to get a good tire on there. But right now, we're doing the brakes.
Okay, we got the brake pads. So now it's time to open them up. We got the wheel off. It's over there under. You have to feel this part right here to see what side your brake has here, as you can see. One's like a bigger size. One's for the back and one's for the front. These ones are like a smaller one. So we found the 1/2-inch wrench, and it makes a whole lot of sense.
Right here. Bring our C-clamp. This is a C-clamp. You'll see how important this is. This is one of the most important tools to putting on the brand new brake pads. So right now it's real tight, but all we do is do this, pop it loose a little bit. That frees it. These are your caliper. This is the part when you press the brake, when you hit the brake pedal, these two tubes shoot out right there and squeeze it against each other like this. That's how it works. It squeezes it just like that. So, in order to put the new pads on, which are
right here.
Here are the new pads for the front. So ladies, when you hear that noise in your drive is going, that's this piece right here letting you know it's time to put it down to this point right here, and this metal is touching this part of your rotors. That's the noise you hear. So for your Ford 2000, what year is this? 2001 Ford Explorer XLT. This is how easy it is to do your brakes. Check this out. Here's one pad. You see how much it is? It's a difference. The thickness. So she can go a whole nother almost year with these, but we'll keep them. Here's the inside pad right here. We always want to take our gloves off real quick. We're gonna get our hands dirty and check and see if it's smooth. Smooth is good. If it's ruffled, if it's got a lot of deep creases, you're gonna either replace it or have it turned. Turned is cheaper, replace it might be a little bit more, but the music got the same thing. Remember, these are the only thing to stop your car. Part of us putting in the new pads that we need.
The new pad, that's bling bling.
So here's the outside. Slides in place on this truck just like this. Pops in place like that. Inside does the same thing on the opposite end, just like that. They sit right there.
Brand new, baby.
So before we do all that, that's why I had to get so much, we need to cover the pieces.
Cover the pieces, guys.
That's what this is for.
The purple goo.
Purple goo. Keeps the rattling down to a minute. Keeps all the squealing down. That's one pad. Put it back in place. See, everything has its place.
Everything has its place.
Pull it back out.
It's a machine.
Turn it back over.
You gotta figure it out.
Cover the whole back end.
Cover it up, guys. The purple
Wrap
goo.
it up. Put the hat on it, nigga. Cover the whole back end of the metal plate up. Just do that. All this is a buffer. That's all it is. It's a condom for your brakes.
Protection.
There you go. That's the easiest way to do it. And you notice we're covering our fingers up.
Purple goo. All of it.
Turn it. Keep it off the ends. That was just one package. Get it into place. We're ready.
We're ready.
Next step.
That's the right one.
The next step is to decrease. So this is a self-adjuster. Push it all the way out. Put it here. Press our orange button. Get it all the way on the inside like so until it stops, and we turn. Now watch what happens, ladies. Just simple turning. It goes in. So you can see what it's doing. So, and this one came out a little bit, so we'll go ahead and push it back in a little bit. Even it out, and that'll do it. Take the pressure off. Flip it back up, back into place. Make sure the pads are in there secure. Slide it down, push it, see, look. Little rubber piece, push it, it'll fit. It's now fitted. I need the screws. The screws are here.
And we need the 1.5 inch.
Get them in place.
Here we go. You can do it all by yourself. Stick the wheel, get the lug nuts off. We in the game. We're just gonna put it back on. Everything is all done. Tire one.